There you go. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And last time, kung mapapansin nyo, in-unbox natin tong CKMova LCM2 and tinignan natin yung mga first audio test natin, yung impression natin about this product. But right now, our video is all about review. Anong tingin ko na maganda para sa lavalier mic na to and yung mga sana mas ma-improve pa sa ibang product line ng CKMova. But first, thank you CKMova Philippines for sending this lavalier mic, the LCM2, to us. So let's go right into our first point, which is yung build quality ng lavalier mic na to. So given the price point na meron tong lavalier mic na ginagamit natin ngayon, you will not expect a metal or something na aluminum made na lavalier mic, but this is a plastic made lavalier mic. But even though this is a plastic made lavalier mic, hindi siya ganun kaagad nasisira unless daganan mo or mabagsak mo or iba mo tong lavalier mic na to. But using this lavalier mic here inside our home studio for Zoom meetings, for live streaming, and also for vlogging, it serves its purpose naman. So next thing is yung pinaka-importante, yung sound quality ng lavalier mic na to. First is nagkamali ako dun sa audio test natin, dun sa first video na ginawa natin na may nakapansin din na isang viewer na sobrang lack of low end tong mic na to. But kasi ang pagkakamali ko doon, inon ko yung low cut filter agad, which is hindi ko na off while I'm taking the video shoot. So right now, I'm not using any low cut filter and mas nagustuhan ko yung punch ng lavalier mic na to, and sa editing or sa equalization part na lang ng ating video editing ko, ginagawa yung low cut filter. But if you want to hear yung low cut filter ng mic na to, eto siya. So right now, naririnig nyo yung low cut filter and mapapansin nyo, meron drastic drop dun sa low frequency sound ng mic na to. And also, kung mapapansin nyo, and napansin ko din sa mic na to, okay, balik tayo dun sa normal na walang low cut filter. May pagka mid hump tong mic na to, meaning medyo yung tone niya or yung sound quality niya is leaning towards the mid frequency. So, ang ginagawa ko sa editing, sorry guys, kahit nagpagupit na ako, medyo pinagpapawisan pa rin ako. So, ang ginagawa ko sa editing ay binababaan ko yung 500, 1000, and 2000 frequency ng slight para lang ma-read off yung medyo nasally tone or nasally sound ng boses natin. In that way, nakukuha ko yung gusto kong sound, which is yung beefy broadcast quality sound, which is I prefer to use. Meron sa inyo mga gusto siguro high frequency sound or mid frequency sound. But right now, I really prefer to use that beefy sounding mic. So right now, I'm using that filter using the Adobe Premiere Pro graphic equalization effect. So with that being said, right now, we're using the LCM2 without any fan. And i-open ko siya ulit para marinig nyo kung audible pa rin ba yung fan kapag nagsasalita kayo. But for me, I just prefer not using any fan para mas clear talaga or crispy yung audio. So right now guys, I'm speaking with an electric fan in front of me at level 1. So kung naririnig nyo na yung fan, this is the sound quality of this lavalier mic. So, tinaasan ko ng level yung electric fan natin at level 2. So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo rinig na talaga yung fan sa mic natin. Then, this is the level 3 of our electric fan in front of us. So, kung mapapansin nyo, rinig na yung fan sa lavalier mic natin. So next is, titest naman natin with the low cut filter, which is yung ginawa natin from our previous video. So you are hearing right now this LCM2 with its built-in low cut filter. I will turn on the electric fan right now. So this is the sound quality of this lavalier microphone with an electric fan in front of me at level 1. So this is the sound of this lavalier microphone with an electric fan in front of me at level 2. And lastly, this is the sound quality of this lavalier microphone with an electric fan in front of me at level 3 and a dog barking in our background. So back to our original sound without any low cut filter on it and walang electric fan na naka-open. So, itatry naman natin ngayon if yung content mo is all about ASMR or mukbang or something na dapat rinig ng audience mo yung clear audio ng kinakain mo or ina-unbox mo. So, this is the sound quality of it. So, as you can hear, wala tayong low-cut filter na naka-on and this is the sound quality if I eat this chicharon. Wow! Ang sarap ng chicharon. So, i-open naman natin ngayon yung low-cut filter. We will eat this another chicharon. So, let's see with our low-cut filter on. Actually guys, excuse ko lang tong sound test para makakain tayo ng chicharon. Joke lang. Okay, there you have it. This is the sound quality of this lavalier microphone, the CKMova LCM2 from CKMova Philippines. So next thing in this video is paano mo ma-maximize tong lavalier microphone sa mga video content mo or meetings mo or live streaming mo. Right now, I'm using this lavalier microphone and nilalagyan ko lang talaga siya ng equalization sa post-processing natin, which is papakita ko ngayon kung ano yung itsura ng ating graphic equalizer. So, yan yung itsura niya and ito yung voice without the equalization part and this is the voice after the equalization effect. So last thing is saan ko ba ginagamit itong lavalier microphone na to? So I use this lavalier microphone sa mga live streamings natin. So kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung nakikita nyo sa damit ko kapag ka nagla-livestream tayo. And yes, directly to nakasaksak sa laptop natin using this audio splitter na binili ko from Ugreen and dito ko rin sinasaksak yung headphone na gamit ko. Plus, I'm using also this one sa mga online meetings namin sa office which is para mas maging clear yung audio ko when it comes to meetings. And lastly is ginagamit ko din to sa mga vlogs ko sa bahay kasi yon mas convenient without using the Rode video mic kasi syempre I'm far at the camera, so merong distance na kailangan kasi yung boom mics natin and kailangan natin minsan ilapit. At ginagawa ko siya dati na parang meron akong tripod sa tabi ko and doon nakasaksak yung boom mic ko and may extension cord lang ako. But it takes time talaga na ma-set up yon, kaya using this lavalier microphone with 6 meters na cable length, sobrang convenient niya and right out of the bat, maganda na yung audio ko. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to in your decision making sa pagbili ng lavalier microphone with a good or average price kasi hindi to guys lalagpas ng around 1.5 or 2.5. Siguro nasa below 1K lang to. You can ask or visit VIzen Marketing or CKMova Philippines for the final price of this product. Once again, thank you CKMova Philippines for sending this lavalier microphone for our testing. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. And also, if this video helped you in your decision making, don't forget to click the like and share button. Plus, we have our Buy Me a Coffee link in our description box below if you want to support this channel and me creating more contents in the future. Once again, this is Jeff Ronimo guys. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel and this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.